Hi guys, this is effortlessly info channel, and today I want to show you how to take long screenshot on your Nubia Red Magic 8S Pro. Our first step to do that is from main menu we must navigate to the application which support long screenshot. It can be settings, something what have more information. Then you have on the one side of screen where you can scroll something. When we are on it, we press power key and volume down together at the same time as to make normal screenshot. And after that we click there, scroll capture. Now it is scrolling, we must tap to pause and confirm all by done. And that's all, we have our long screenshot. To save it in our gallery, we press this icon and we have it. See you soon, bye!